Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed in and online, because authentication issues often look like server errors. Next, make sure Windows Update has no pending installs. If updates are waiting, install and reboot now. Once restarted, open an elevated command prompt and run WS reset. EXE to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This resolves many transient server-stumbled states. Make sure to wait until the command finishes before moving on to the next maintenance steps. Now you re-register and check critical services. Open PowerShell as admin and run the getapps package elusers Microsoft. Windows Store 4H adapps package disable development mode register $. Install location \app xmanifest. XML command to re-register the app. This repairs corrupted registrations. Then confirm background intelligent transfer service and Microsoft Store install service are set to automatic and running. Once done, clear %temp% and the software distribution folder, and temporarily disable any third-party firewall. For final cleanup, uninstall and reinstall the store. Use PowerShell to remove the app package and then re-register it as earlier, or run the settings app to reset/reinstall. Make sure to test with a fresh local user account to determine if the problem is profile-specific. If the store still reports a server error, connect via a clean network like a mobile hotspot to exclude ISP issues and double-check proxy or VPN settings. If none of this works, consider collecting logs for Microsoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: always test from a new user profile first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.